Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. All the black magic return to sender. All the negative energies sent to me and the whole collective shall return to sender. In the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Magician. This is your current energy. We also have the Five of Wands. This is your challenge. The Ten of Wands is the spiritual lesson. The first scenario is the Page of Wands. The present is the Four of Wands. The future is the Devil. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And your attitude is the Tower. Outside influence is the Fool. We also have, this is your hopes and fears, is the Queen of Swords. And the outcome of this reading is the Star. Wow. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your energy, leave it, okay? Take only what fits in your story and please don't manifest the rest, okay? First, we have the Magician. This is your current energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either Gemini or Virgo. Or you have Virgo or Gemini in your birth chart. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who has a Gemini or Virgo in their birth chart. I feel like this is your energy. You have everything under your control. For some of you guys, you are advised here to don't waste your power. You need to take an action with your manifestations in order to make come true, to bring it into reality. Because you have all the tools needed in order for you to succeed. Your manifestation lies on your hand. You need to trust yourself, to believe in yourself, to trust the process of the Divine Most High, that everything will come in a divine timing, and to believe in magic as well, the magic of your power, because you are powerful. This is the new beginning of your life. You have lots of potential to create whatever you want, to make your manifestations come true. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person, either Gemini or Virgo. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. This person either wants to trick you, to manipulate you, or this person is manifesting you in their lives. It doesn't matter if this is the ex or a new person. It could also be that this person viewed you as a magician. This is your current energy. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here, your challenge is the 5 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is competing on you. Could be a Leo or a group of people. This person or group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. I don't know who is this person. This could be a Leo or a group of people, includes Leo. They are competing on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because they viewed you as their rivals. And I feel like this person or group of people wants to engage you in drama, in competition, in a conflict. For some of you, it could also be that this is related to your work. Maybe the nature of your work or your job or career, you have too many competitors, and you learn how to defend yourself. You don't want to fight with this group of people because you knew your power. You are the magician. You have everything under your control, and your success lies in your own hands. That's why you are not competing with them. But this person who embodied the energy of Leo or a group of people, they viewed you as their treat competitors, rivalry. And I feel like for some of you guys, maybe you are struggling with this group of people because they want to create drama and conflict in your life. And this is your challenge, not to engage your energy. It's because the universe advised you not to waste your power with this drama, with this conflict, where people are majority envy and jealous of your aura. They couldn't stand your energy. Yeah, look, you are the magician. You have everything under your control. And they knew as well that your manifestations will come true. And that's why they are competing on you. Because they knew that you have power to create whatever you manifest in your life. And this is your challenge because you are advised to disengage this person or a group of people because they only want to harvest your energy in order to weaken you. And that if you are weak, you cannot manifest your dreams. They are waiting that you are going to react. So disengage your energy to this nonsense folks whose life are full of hatred and envious. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 10 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart, could also be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. It could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Majority of you manage to put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, these obligations, these responsibilities. I feel like in the past, you are always supported with this group of people. And you are not reciprocated, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of these people, they give you their own responsibilities and obligations on your shoulders. They want you to carry this heavy weight on your shoulders. And you are very tired. That's why you manage to put down this heavy weight on your shoulders. You are no longer taking care of the responsibilities, the obligations of other people, because you realize that you have your own burdens to carry, and it's not for you to carry for the rest of your lives. You can help a person, but you cannot carry their own problems, their own obligations and responsibilities in your own life, because you have your own life. You are not obliged to carry the responsibilities and obligations of other people. Could also be that this is in your family. If this is in your workplace, this group of people are taking you for granted. This group of people could be receiving a higher salary than you, or you have the same salary. And they are laughing on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you carry all the heavy weight on your shoulder with these responsibilities and obligations at work. I hear that the group of people said, "Look, Scorpio, he or she is so crazy, gullible, and stupid. Why she or he worked too hard when in fact we have the same salary?" Or the other said, "When in fact our salary is higher than here or than him." And they're just laughing sarcastically. For some of you, you heard, but you ignore, because you want to have peace in the workplace. If this is related in your workplace, you are taking for granted. You are taken for granted in the past. This is the past scenario. It could also be that your boss is conniving this group of people. Your boss never increased your salary. Your boss never promoted you, because your boss could also be jealous and envy with your aura. It's nothing to do with the resources, the money, the car, or your career. They are intimidated with your aura. They are intimidated with your confidence. They are intimidated because you stand on your ground. You are very confident, and that's why they hate you. It's nothing to do because of resources. There are lots of people nowadays who have lots of resources, money, they have lots of success, but they are insatiable. They are not contented with their own lives. They are not happy. They are living the lives of other people. And that's why hurt people hurt people. They are making a joke or fun to hurt other people. And these are the people in the workplace. Could also be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. If you work hard in the past, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe will pay off your hard work here. Because for most of you, you've done too much for this group of people. You are very generous, kind, and compassionate to them, but they take your kindness as your weakness. They viewed you as stupid, gullible, and idiot because of your kindness, generosity, and compassion towards these people. I never say all people. I said a minimum of 10. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And you have learned your lessons. You are no longer carrying the heavy weight on your shoulders, the obligations and responsibilities of other people. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. And this person includes this group of people who gives you burdens. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Page of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign. The Page of Wands is normally a Sagittarius. Could also be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Double confirmation, the 10 of Wands. You look. For some of you, this is your energy. You are very enthusiastic and energetic. You accept the challenge because you have a passion and desire with this new creativity. And you are willing to take an action and align with your passion because you realize that you are going to succeed. You are very curious and excited. It could also be that somebody will offer this to you. Could be this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you are going to offer this to somebody else who embodied the energy of a fire sign. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Could also be that this is a new passion and desire. This person could be a young person, younger than you, or this person is an adult but having a young at heart. This person having a strong passion and desire towards you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the past scenario. Could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Sagittarius. And let me see. The present energy is, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry, the 4 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to commit to offer you a marriage proposal. Could be a fire sign, an Aries. It could also be that this person wants to have a strong and stable family relationship with you, a stability with the relationship. If you are already a married Scorpio, this person wants to celebrate with you, with your success. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. This person, I feel like they have, or they viewed you as, sorry guys, sorry, oh my gosh, Jesus Christ. This person could be an Aries or a group of people. It could also be that this is the message from the universe to you to step back and celebrate the milestone of your success. For some of you, you have a milestone of your success here. It could also be related to teamwork and collaboration. Could also be that there is a celebration here related to a wedding, an engagement, a birthday party, a baby shower, or an anniversary. I don't know, but I feel like there is a celebration here. And you have lots of reason to celebrate, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person wants to have a solid foundation with you. If you are single, this person wants to marry you, to be the mother or the father of their kids. Or if you are already married, this person wants to celebrate you. Could also be that this person wants to reconcile with you. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, because there is a celebration here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Devil. This is the future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Not also necessarily a Capricorn. Could also be a person who is very toxic and controlling and also manipulative person. This person is strongly obsessed on you. This person could be a married person, and this person wants to put you in a third-party situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are married with this person because there is a legal binding here. This person could be in your family. For some of you, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. This person is having an addiction. Could be alcohol or drug addiction. Could also be that this person is prolonging a sex obsession. Could also be that this person is obsessed on your aura. And this person wants to control you because this person is very manipulative and toxic person. It could also be that this person is mad on you. This person is jealous and envy of your aura. Could be a Capricorn. Could also be other sign. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy. This is like our soul. Our souls are killed with a self-burning, excessive desires. These are the ego and the pride to achieve at all cost. It could also be that somebody here is prolonged into materialism. It could also be that this is related to money. Somebody here is being greedy. I feel like this is not you because I don't think that Scorpio is greedy. Because I am also a Scorpio. Somebody here is greedy, gold digger. Could be that this person is feeling entitled with your success because you have here a celebration of the milestone of your success. And this is the card before the devil. Could also be that this person wants to offer you a stability, to propose you a marriage proposal. But remember, this is not a healthy relationship. This is a toxic person. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy. You are prolonged into 24 hours working time. And this is like workaholic. And being workaholic is also a toxic situationship, a toxic energy. But most of you, somebody is strongly obsessed on you. This person could be feeling hopeless, feeling powerless to control you because you are strong and you are the magician. You look, your first card is the magician. Could be a Capricorn, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, this is the future energy. Remember, somebody is strongly obsessed on you. And we have here your attitude is the Tower. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. For some of you, not necessary. I feel like there is an unexpected ending here. This is destruction, chaos, and turbulence. You cannot see that this will happen. For some of you, it's already happened. This is an expected ending. But I feel like for some of you, or for most of you, it will happen soon. This is the exposure of the lies, illusion, drama, conflict, betrayals, and trickery. These could be the group of people in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex is involved and or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. This is a turmoil. It could also be that there is loss and separation here. There is an upheaval. This is a shocking ending for some of you. Others of you, it could also be that you have a sudden realization of the things, why that was happened the way it was in the past. Could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Their lies, their trickery, manipulation, illusions are being exposed or already exposed. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? They said that Scorpio's reading without Tower and the Death is not complete. Here we have 3 major arcanas. Now 4, 5. 5 major arcanas in this reading. The Magician, the Devil, the Fool, and the Star, plus the Tower. This is a heavy reading. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And we have here your outside influence, the Fool. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. It could also be that this person's lies, illusion, trickery, deceit, everything is going to be exposed or already exposed. Could be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius, an Aries, or a fellow Scorpios. Because this is the previous card before, the Fool. Could also be that they are conniving. I don't know who is or who are these people in your life. But their secret, their illusions, betrayals, trickery, deceit, and manipulation is being exposed or already exposed. And you have a separation with this person because they didn't expect that it will happen. That whatever they did to you will keep in secret forever. Because every time I read with the Scorpio readings, there is always somebody keeping secrets. Yeah. I feel like you are dealing with this person or group of people. Aquarius, Aries, or a fellow Scorpio. And their lies is going to expose or being exposed. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that Capricorn is involved in this scenario because this is also the previous card. And we have here your hopes and fears is the Queen of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Double confirmation because the Fool is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Because the Fool is embodied the energy of Uranus, and Uranus is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius aside from Saturn. Could also be that you already evolved because Uranus is related to evolving, or this person never evolved. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius. Could also be that this person has an authority because the Queen of Swords is also having an authority. I don't know. For most of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to take a leap of faith with you or to take a risk towards you. It could also be that this person wants to fool you or this person viewed you as a fool. Because for most of you, this is you take a leap of faith. It's because you realize that you have nothing to go back with these people in your past. You take a leap of faith because you also realize that you have lots of infinite potential and possibilities with this new era of your life, the new beginning. And the universe advises you to release your fears, to embrace this new, unusual change in your life. Because Aquarius is a fixed sign. And this is an unusual change. Because the fixed sign, Aquarius is like you, also a fixed sign. And it's difficult for a fixed sign to accept the change. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius. Double confirmation. This, you look, the Queen of Swords is your hopes and fears. For most of you, this is your energy. You knew the truth and you are standing in your higher self. You are not also scared to tell the truth. And you are not scared to cut off the ties of some people who are betraying you, who are lying on you, who are backstabbing you, who are manipulating you, who tried to control your life without anything. And this is your energy because you are very tired and sick with this group of people, with their trickery and deceit. For this person or group of people, they viewed you as a heartless, cold-hearted person. You have learned your lessons. You are tired of being nice. You have done too much good to other people, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why you are not scared to lose these people who are not true to you behind your back. For some of you, you cut off the ties of this person or group of people, and you also block in your social media and in your mobiles. Others of you, maybe you are seeing this people or person, but in your mind, you're already detached. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be a group of people. Because there is a tower here. Yeah. They are lying on you. They are betraying you. They are backstabbing you. They are spreading lies and rumors about you. Yeah. Aries, Scorpio, Aquarius, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. And we have here the outcome is the Star. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius again, or a person who is in the public eye. Not necessarily an Aquarius, but 3 times confirmation. The Star, the Queen of Swords, and the Fool embody the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. I feel like for some of you, you managed to find the light at the end of the tunnel. It's because after the destruction, the chaos, the turmoil, and the havoc has gone, you managed to find the light at the end of the tunnel. Others of you, you already held the past trauma, or you are continuing your healing journey. You prioritize your inner peace. You have tranquility and equilibrium in your surroundings. It's because you choose to heal. It could also be that you have a sacred insights. Maybe for some of you, you are a star seed, a light worker, or you have an innate gift from the universe. The universe advises you here to use your talents, your skills, and your gift in order to give people hopes and inspirations. Others of you, you are on the stage of renewal. It's because of what you have experienced. You look, the tower. Yeah. This is not a joke. And for some of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma and the conflict between you and them. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be a person in the public eye. This person could be viewed you as their inspiration. Maybe you have a platform in social media for some of you, and you are in the public eye, and this person inspired by your content. I don't know what is your content in your platform in social media. For some of you guys, the universe advises you that you are on the right path. The star is aligning on you. You need to follow the star on your journey, because you look, your first card is the Magician. Everything will align on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Everything is under your control to make your manifestations come true, and you are also guided here by your guardian angels, the star. Yeah, the star is like a sacred insights. You need to listen to your intuition. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius could also be a person who is in the public eye, viewed you as a star. I don't know who is this person. Either you or this person is in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. Could also be an Aquarius, because 3 times confirmation. The star, the fool, and the Queen of Swords. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And I feel like this person couldn't believe why you find out why you found the light at the end of the tunnel. Despite of what they have done to you. You look, the Tower. Lies, illusion, trickery, manipulation, betrayals, backstabbing, and everything. And the Tower was fallen for a reason. And this is your energy. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me, please. Why the star here? Please tell me more about the star in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the star here, please? The star is clarified as the sun, nature, and personality. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. It could also be that this person is in the public eye, either Leo or an Aquarius. Not necessary. I said, could also be that this person is in the public eye. And this is related to nature and personality. It could also be that you have, what do you call this? Differences because of the nature and personality of this person. Maybe this person is come from other country or other tribes, I don't know, other nationality. Because this is nature and personality. This is the German language astro cards. Sonne is the sun. Wesen and Persönlichkeit, nature and personality. Could also be that this person is not, I mean, is different ethnicity. I don't know. And for some of you guys, it could also be that this person, an Aquarius or a Leo, wants to heal the grudges and the trauma between you and them. Because this is the clarification of the star. Could also be that this person wants to have a happy relationship with you. Because the sun is also happiness. Yeah. Could be that this person wants to heal the grudges between you and them. The trauma. Either Aquarius or a Leo. For some of you, this is your energy. You already overcome whatever this person did to you, who embodied the energy of a Leo. You find the light at the end of the tunnel. Whatever this person did to you, either Leo or Aquarius, it's over because you find back your light at the end of the tunnel. Your life is stunning, your life is flourishing, you express joy and happiness, and you are being vulnerable once again, and you follow your heart. There is growth, prosperity, healing, and peace. There is also abundance and completion here. The sun is all about positivity. And whatever this person did to you, it's over. Because you manage to find the light at the end of the tunnel. Could be an Aquarius or a Leo. Or you have a Leo or Aquarius in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story. Both of this person are shocked because whatever they did to you didn't work. They couldn't figure out how you managed to find the light, Scorpio, at the end of the tunnel. You look, double confirmation, the star and the sun. Your light is shining bright despite of what they have done to you. And that's why they have no choice but to reconcile with you, to heal the grudges and the trauma between you and them. Could be that these two persons are in the public eye, or you are in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. Could be you are dealing as well with, not necessarily in the public eye, could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a Leo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the devil here. Why the devil in this reading? The devil is clarified as the 9th house. Lernen und Glauben. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart, not necessary. It could also be a very toxic and manipulative person. And I feel like this person wants you to believe on them. Yeah. But you have learned your lesson. Learn. Glauben is believe. Yeah. 9th house is embodied the energy of Sagittarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart, or a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. This person lost their power to control you. This person is strongly obsessed on you, wants to control and to manipulate you. Either a Sagittarius or a Capricorn. And now they are losing their power to control you because you are the magician. You are strong. You look. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that this person engaged you in a third-party situation, either Capricorn or Sagittarius. And clarify me, please, why the Tower here? Tell me more about the Tower in this reading, please. The Tower is clarified as Neptune, dream and ghost. Try me on, guys. This is a German language astro cards, and this is the clarification of the Tower. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be that this is related to your dream. It could also be that this person is daydreaming about you. Either a Pisces or an Aries or fellow Scorpio. And it could also be that your ghost, it could also be that this person hunted by your ghost. Either a Pisces, an Aries, or a fellow Scorpio. Because their lies is being exposed. The delusion, exposed. And they never expected that will happen. Could be that you are dealing with Pisces, Aries, and a fellow Scorpio. And your ghost is hunting them with this group of people. A fellow Scorpio, an Aries, or a Pisces. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and clarify me, please, the Magician here. Why the Magician in this reading? The Magician is clarified as Fishy. You look. This is a German language astro card. Fische de Träumerin. Fische is Pisces, and this is the clarification of a magician. And you look, double confirmation that you are dealing with a Pisces. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with Pisces, Virgo, or Gemini. It could also be that this person or group of people who tried to trick you, tried to manipulate you, or wants to trick and manipulate you. Because you are creating and destructing something. You are the magician. You can do, you can create, you can, because Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the creation and the destruction, and they viewed you as a magician. That's why they want to trick and manipulate you, or it could also be that they are manifesting you back in their lives. Either Pisces, I feel like they are manifesting you back in their lives because their lies and secret exposed. Either Pisces, Virgo, or an Aries. Take only what fits in your story. Their lies and trick didn't work. And there's no choice. All they want is to manifest you back in their lives. That you will open your heart once again. That you are being vulnerable to them once again. This person or group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, Could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, the Five of Wands here. The Five of Wands is clarified as the Steer. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. And this is the clarification of the Five of Wands. Yeah. Could also be that this person is competing on you. Either a Leo or a Taurus. The sensual. Could be that this person competing on your attention or viewed you as the rebels. Could also be that this person wants to engage you in drama and conflict because this is your challenge, or they are competing on your attention. Could be a Leo or a Taurus. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please. Why the Queen of Swords here? Tell me more about the Queen of Swords here. The Queen of Swords is clarified as the Trigon, Unterstützung and Inspirationen. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be that this person wants to support you now and wants to give because they inspired by you. Maybe in the past, this person misjudged you. This person could be an Aquarius, and this person could be inspired by you because you are the star here. You are giving hopes and inspiration to other people. Could be an Aquarius. In the past, this person never value your worth because they never support you. And now, this person is inspired by you and they want to support you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me, please. Why the... Tell me more about the Four of Wands here. The Four of Wands is clarified as Quadrat, Herausforderung, and disharmony. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart, and you have experienced so much disharmony in this relationship. Yeah, disharmony. Yeah, you have lots of bad experiences with this person. Herausforderung is experiences, and disharmony is disharmony. Could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share in order to make it grow. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. Thanks for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.